Hakaluki Haur is declared as ecologically critical area by IUCN. Now we are in the middle of Hakaluki Haur. The people are crossing the rivers, small creeks, passing around the Haur, long. It's one of the biggest Haur in Bangladesh. We can see the freshwater swamp forest here, a small piece of forest area here.